I opened this up and boom, check this one out. What's wrong with it? All right, so I got it connected here. Let's see what's wrong with it. Let's power it up. Power is on. Oh, look at the tester here. We got green signal on RX2. Over voltage or something going on, and we have no HPD. We're gonna take this completely apart. Unfortunately, this was opened up before. It's missing the HDMI in, and as well as some screws here for this case. I have the motherboard out here, and we can see that it's missing that port. So this is the in port, and we see they ripped a lot of pads here. This is not our concern. We're actually taking a look into this port right here, and oh my goodness, that one is also messed up. Let's take it off of this board. And I just removed this port here, and guys, this guy did a number on this system. There's no copper on any of the legs here, and you have a hole where I can put my whole entire flux needle in the hole right there. That is terrible. Let's try to fix it. And right here on the pins, we also have serious damage. We're gonna have to run a trace and fix that one right there. Okay, so we have the port here the best we can. We got those legs, and it's looking fresh where we have pins. We need to trace that one right there. However, before I go run any traces, let's go test this for short. All right, let's test the board. Yeah, this thing stopped powering on. It could be that the holes here are very big, that it shorted some of the layers. So now let me remove this port and test again. Yeah, you see that area next to the leg here? It's all butchered right there. So let's clean it up from solder. Maybe that was touching before. This is the best I can do right now, but I still need to get that little area right there. Okay, I think I got it. Let's go test. All right, let's test here. Nice. Okay, the tester now says everything is okay, but we don't have anything on this. And that's because we still need to run that one trace. Okay, ran the top piece here. We have to connect it right there. Boom, it's connected. Let's clip off that excess. All right, I put it back together here, plugged it up. Let's test. Power's up. The tester. The tester says good right now, and we have 720p. Yes.